In this chapter, we look at 3 common verbs, be, become, and get. These words are sometimes used incorrectly, especially when describing changes or conditions. Look at these sentences. He is angry when he heard the news, or she got a doctor last year. These sound odd, right? Let's go over why they're incorrect and how to fix them. Now, let's look at the correct sentences. We say, he became angry when he heard the news, because become is used when something changes. She became a doctor last year is correct, not got a doctor, which sounds like she hired one. He wants to become rich is better than be rich, it shows change in the future. And they got cold in the rain is also fine, because get is commonly used in informal English to mean become. Let's make it even simpler with examples. Here are some simple examples to remember these verbs. We use be to talk about a state, like I want to be a singer. Become shows a change, like she became famous. Get is an informal way of saying become, I got sick last night. Here's a tip, if you're writing formally, use be or become. For casual speech, get works too. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.